In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to set up the Replicate API with your PremiumPress website. To generate the AI photos for the AI membership theme, you'll need your own account on replicate.com. Create a free account and sign into the website. Now select the API tokens option, and here you'll find your API key. Copy your new key and enter it into your PremiumPress admin area. Now select the AI features you want to use and you're ready to go. With the AI membership theme, users can create headshots, videos, color restoration, and even enhance their current photos. If you found this video useful, please let us know by liking and subscribing so we can keep making new videos for you. Thank you.